It's me, Lucy, and today I'm with my friend, Cole. We are making Percy Jackson cupcakes. You probably recognise Cole from the Percy Jackson video. He played Apollo. Okay, so first thing first, flour. I need 200 grams.
I do not know what we are doing.
I'm doubling the recipe. 200 grams of flour.
Don't judge, I love my overlay.
Into the bowl.
Was it that or?
So that one's first, then what?
Sugar.
Sugar, 100 grams. Oh, we're doing double?
Yes.
Yeah, so it'll be 200 grams of sugar. If the pot wasn't so fucking...
Why didn't you just shake it?
Oh, it
Where's
wasn't
the-
breaking up.
200 grams of butter.
That goes in there. Knife.
50, 100, 200.
Yeah.
So most of it.
Microwave.
For how long?
Like, put it in for 30 seconds. You need to fight with the button. There you go. You can just use it for 30 seconds. Then you start button. There we go. How melted is this? Not at all. Almost nothing. Oh well. There we go. Now it's more mouldable. That can go in there. Put butter, sugar.
4 large eggs. Oh, I can do the eggs. I know how to do that. Oh! I think there's been a breakage.
That one's broken. Oh well. There's only one.
Do you want a hand?
Get out. There we go.
I'll do the rest.
That was lovely. Great job. That was a great job. Try not to spill egg down the side of the bowl. There we go. Just chuck them in the bin. Oh god, we're terrible at this.
I shouldn't even be allowed in here.
There we go.
Have we
Baking
had...
powder. 1, 2 scoops of baking powder.
Then do we have the blue food dye?
Well, we mix it through first.
Okay. What?
I need to get another bottle of that. Now, we turn it off.
Oh no. Now, did we add the blue?
Yes.
Yee, blue. what, like 3 dollops?
Yeah. That should be enough.
That should be enough.
2 more little splashes. There you go.
I feel like that was way too much.
Well, we'll find out.
Oh, headphones. Think that's blue enough?
I think so.
No, you've got to wash your hands.
Yep, now we'll just clear the side of the bowl. Can you grab some kitchen roll from over there?
From where?
By the toaster. Just wipe the glue off of there. It's not to stain though. It's good. Just put it on the side.
Ow. Blue.
Can you put that back in the cupboard? No, that one in the gap. We may need some.
These ones?
Yeah. And there. Back.
Can I lay them out?
Yes.
Yes. How many are we doing?
Just fill both trays up. And we'll see how much batter we have. I hope these cupcakes turn out to be a little bit more blue than they are.
We can make the icing more blue.
Yeah.
That'll probably be easier because there's no vanilla.
Oh yeah.
Go, go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna empty all the icing into a tub and then chuck the last of the blue food colouring in it.
Oh, we also have these.
Yeah, those we'll use to write on top of the
And I try and draw a trident.
Yes.
Yes. It's probably just because of the vanilla extract they look slightly green.
No.
I don't know why I'm singing that fan Percy Jackson song in my head.
Can one of you go and turn the oven on?
I don't know how to. I feel like we should have Percy Jackson music playing whilst we're doing this.
I mean, we could stick the Percy Jackson musical onto the.
Oh, yeah, can't. We got a bit on the tin.
Also got a bit on the tin in that one as well. Baking is not something for people with OCD.
Why am I here then?
You wanted to make Percy Jackson cupcakes.
Percy Jackson's fun! And I really shouldn't be in the kitchen by myself, so... don't think we have enough for all of them.
Yeah, we're gonna need. Don't have enough for those last two.
It's fine, I did crisscross. So we still have equal amount in each of the cupcake cases.
Yeah, there we go. There's the spares. So the cupcakes have been in the oven and I've just taken them out. They're not as blue as I was hoping they'd be, but hopefully they're blue on the inside. But we'll find out once they've cooled down and we've decorated them. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. The cupcakes have now cooled down, so we're gonna decorate them with some blue icing.
Oh, can I do the sprinkles?
Yes, that's
What?
Don't show it to the camera. It will. The icing will fall over.
Oh damn, that is. Can I use some gold ones?
Yeah, you can use any of
I
them.
want to make it look like a beach.
You're on decorating.
Oh.
I'm trying not to spill icing halfway down the cupcakes.
That one's dribbling a bit.
Yeah, a couple of them are. It might be better off sticking on a tray and then sticking in the fridge. Let's do that. I think if we do that, you decorate it and then you stick it in the fridge.
Hopefully don't spill it everywhere. I just like using these ones, they're pretty. I think I'm mostly going to end up using these. Oh, that's a nice sound. Maybe it's good some of them are really small.
Because we're making a mess.
Yeah. Oh damn, you're going quick.
Because as soon as I'm done with the icing, I can decorate some of them myself.
I'm making a giant mess here.
Where's the fun in not making a mess? Yeah, where's the fun in not making a little bit of a mess?
Oh, I like that yellow.
Some of these are easy.
Are these popping candy?
No, I did. It's mostly so I can decorate some myself.
Oh, thank gods. This one kind of reminds me of, you know those old cakes that like, well, like, I don't know how to describe them, but pretty much the icing was like really fucking stiff. Okay, I've done 8, and we've got 10 and 12. We've got 22, so I've got 3 more than you can do the other half.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna need another tray because I think that one can only fit 16, so we're gonna have 6 extra.
Yeah, we'll just those.
Let's see if I can draw like Percy's Riptide out of sprinkles. Oh, nope, failed.
Do you want to use a toothpick?
Now just put like water on the sides. I mean, once they're fully set, we can probably use like the icing. Oh. My hand slipped.
Yes.
There, let's make it so that it kind of looks like waves going over the sand. Okay, I've got one left, the other half's yours.
Yeah.
Okay, this one I think I'm just gonna make gold so I can do like a trident with icing.
Well, I'm done. Now I have some blue and pink icing left over.
Yeah, I think we're only gonna fit 5 more into that tray.
The trays are in that cupboard you got the cupcake cases from.
Yeah, should I leave it like on the side so that you can just put them on and then put it in the fridge?
Yeah, you could do that. Look over this side.
It's a little bit bent.
All the trays are a bit bent.
So, like Camp Half-Blood?
Yeah.
I mean, they are Greek.
Put that in there. And another spoon. Would you like some icing?
Oh, you haven't licked it, right?
No. That's why I'm handing it to you. Why would I hand you a spoon I've licked?
Mm. That's really nice.
Just so you don't get tizzy. Blue.
Blue. Blue. Da ba dee da ba da.
These are the finished cupcakes. That's box 1. This one won't fit into the box. And then this is box 2. Hey, we've just finished making the cupcakes, so thanks for watching and hope you guys like, subscribe and comment ideas for us to do in the future. Bye!